Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss 8th class 5th lesson, forest using and protection. Right? Forest using and protection. See, in this chapter, in previous session, already we discussed what are the forests, how the forests were used, and I will discuss in the first lecture. In second lecture, we discussed how many types of the forest, right? And what are the another type of the forest? How they form the types of the forest? How many types of the forest already we discussed? Na? 4 types of the forest already we discussed, right? What are they? Evergreen forest, deciduous forest, and thorny forest, and the littoral or the swampy forest. See, evergreen forest grows in the forest which is the heavy rainfall, which is the rainfall we have the heavily where the equator region in India we can find the Himalayas, right? And deciduous forest where the few months of the rainfall we can receive, and the few months we can not receive the rainfall. We can receive the hot, we can receive the warm. On that area we can found the Telangana some district and Nalgonda all those who are not living, right? That is the deciduous forest. Littoral forest means thorny forest where there is not receive the rainfall anymore. We have the first evergreen, we have the much rainfall. Second one we have the we can say some months of rainfall, some months we couldn't receive, and third one is the thorny forest, we couldn't receive the any rainfall. This kind of the forest will grow we can find in desert area, right? Where in desert area. And the littoral and the swampy we can find the coastal areas. We can find the coastal areas swampy, their roots are there. We will be appear in the we can say appear in the surface. We will all discuss, right? See, in this session we are going to discuss. See, we have to maintain at least 33% of the forest, right? 33% of the forest we have to maintain for the good environment, right? A good environment the nature has to give it, right? But here initiation for the greenery in Telangana. What are the initiation? What are the initiative taken by the government, right? The forest we have to grow is not by the people. We have to participate, right? We have to plant all those things, right? But the government has to be take initiative. Government has to be take initiative. Here, among them all the India, the Telangana government taking one beautiful project, right? One is beautiful and which is useful for the not only Telangana to all over the surrounding areas. Those who are the border states, right? Why? Because the Telangana government made Haritahara, right? Haritahara. What is mean by Haritahara? Every month, every village has to be covered with the green, right? Haritahara means Telugu meaning. Harita means is a green, right? It's a greenery. Hara means we have to the plant like a one by one. There is no space between the all those things trees, right? This kind of we have made the beautiful project made by the Telangana government for the forest. For the forest is taking the initiation for the greenery in Telangana. Each and every village, each and every road, it has to be filled with the forest. So among them, it's started in the 2050. What is the aim? To increasing forest covering, right? To increasing forest covering. So if we can increase the forest covering, we are getting a lot of benefit from those, right? These are actually whatever we have the extraction, whatever mining, whatever we doing, it's coming from the nature, right? It's all are the coming from the nature. If we can increase the forest, that will be very benefit for all those things. See, among them this project, how much in 230 acres. How much in the 230 crores, right? How much for 230 crores of the has to be in the 230 crores has to be the slobbing the new trees. What is new tree means? Young trees. The slobbing means the young trees. How much? 230 crores plant has to be the plant in the all over the Telangana. See, this plant is a very we have to increase this plant all over the forest, and beside the schools, universities, hospitals, roads, and whatever, and where the land is a government land, where is the government land is to be only it will be very nicely. So that we have to put all those plants. We have to put all those plants. But this kind of it started in 2050. So you can see, sir, this started in 2050. The increasing forest. Is any development happen? Is any the further step will happen. You can see each and every village, whenever you go each and every village, you can find the while we are going before the entering the village, you can see the roadsides, you can see see the roadside the small plant will be slumping, right? Some plants will be moved. So this is the road. This side automatically plant will be appear. These plants will be appear. Each and every road, each and every village you can road that will be appear. Right? You can say this plant. You can say this Telangana, which are the taken from the initiative from the increasing the greenery. The plant has to be. We can see the result. We can see the result, right? This is the initiation for the greenery Telangana government, which is taken by the Mr. KCR. That will be well known. Next, the tribal people and the forest. Already in the first lecture we discussed the how the tribal people depend on the forest, right? We couldn't dispatch them to one place to another place, from the forest to the another place and the city place, right? We have to give this the right. They have to be so they couldn't survive outside the world. They couldn't survive. They are the habitat. They are the inhabited in the forest. They are inhabited in the forest. See, but there was the NTFT. NTFT means the non-timber forest, the produce. Non-timber forest produce. Where the non-timber, the timber is the area. See, in this area we can see the chowkidars, we can see the forest officers, FBO officers, right? These all are for the protection for the forest. These all are protection for the forest. Each and everyone has their own duty, own responsibility. See, this kind of the protection, right? In the among them the forest, sir, you can see the tribal people, those who are the living in the forest, right? They don't have right to the goes to the forest and whatever they want to the for fibers, all those things they don't have the right. Actually, they have right, but here the divided the different type of the forest. We can say that one is the protected forest, another one is the reserved forest. What are the protected forest and another one is the reserved forest. See, in the reserved forest, you can go to the forest and you can collect the firewood. You can collect the firewood. You can take the woods. You can take the wood, small woods for the those are the using for the agriculture purpose, right? Now we are all moving for the industrialization using tractor, all those things. But those who are living in the forest area, those tribal peoples, they couldn't have developed as much as we can have. See, this kind of the firewoods, they can take some smaller woods, they can take use for the and same kind of the woods they can take and build house. This kind of they have chance, they have right to go to the reserve forest. They have right to visit the reserve forest and take some small kind of the woods, all those things, whether they need all those things. But when it comes to the protected forest, in the protected forest, they doesn't have right to go to the forest, right? These are the protected forest. No one has to be entered in the forest. No one has to be entered in the forest. They couldn't used by the people, right? That couldn't used by the people. But here, reserved forest, they can use all those things for the grazing purpose. All those things they can use. Grazing purpose doesn't allow, but they will use for the grazing purpose. So this kind of the forest. Why? Because the government is taking initiative to protect the forest. So that's why they created reserve in the forest. This is not only the Indian government, Nana. This almost happened from the Britishers. From the Britishers, those who are the ruled, we are the colonized from the Britishers. They are Britishers also they made to protect the forest also. Why? Because in India, the most of those who are the living the tribal people, those who are the living the tribal people, what will they know? The podu. What is mean by podu? These are shifting cultivation. The shifting cultivation, they do the here deforest the trees, they are cutting the trees and they do the cultivation and they move to one place to another place. Then start same again. So this way also the happening the many things. So that's why they have to be protected forest. They have to be protected forest. And where is the Forest Right Act? Where is the Forest Right Act? See, this Forest Right Act is in 2006. 2006. Why? Because we can say nowadays also. We can see nowadays also in the news, right? What will happen? Those who are doing the cultivation, those are police officer, the forest officer come and will be the conflict dispute happen between the tribal people and the forest officer, right? Recently in Andhra also we had one news in the 4-5 days before, right? See, this kind of happen. Why? Because the forest officers they want to be protected. This is not your right. This is not your right. You can not do the podu cultivation like this, right? The shifting cultivation. Why? Because we have to protect forest. But what the tribal people thought, we are doing cultivation for our ancient, our fathers and father. Who the hell are you to moving to us, right? We are interconnected with the forest. We can the prices forest are the deities, and you don't have right? This kind of happen. They don't have separate patta lands, right? when we have the separate patta land, but they have some kind of the lands provided by the government, that is the assigned land, but they went to the Podu, it will be conflict happen. Nowadays still we are living in 21st century, but they are having. So due to this kind of animation, due to this kind of the dispute, the central government, the government decides they has to give the Forest Right Act in 2006. In this 2006, they got right from the after the 200 years later. Ravamachinana almost already told you we are facing problem from the Britishers, right? In the time of the Britishers, between the tribals and the government officials. See, 200 years later they got a right. Those who are the tribal rights, what is tribal rights? You have to do the cultivation, but they are the assigned land. They have to be assigned land. We have to go to the assigned land for the you can do the cultivation. And no one has to be enter, and nobody have right to buy this land, and nobody, and this tribal people also, they don't have right to the sell this land. They don't have right to sell this land. See, among these all those things, activities happen in the forest. Actually, happening in the forest. See, that's why we have in this lesson the topic what we have done. Already we discussed what is the forest, right? What is the forest? How many type of the forest? And those who which states are the taking initiative for the forest, right? And what are the rights of the tribal, and how forest we can say of the forest, how many we have the forest we can decide, right? All these things we discuss in this lesson. So that's why the forest using, what kind of the using for the using, and the government having doing for the protection, right? Government doing the protecting all those things, right? This is our 5th lesson complete. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.